The Governor General has called on all Solomon Islanders to embrace unity and shared responsibility in promoting greater nation building. Simon Tavake reports.
The Governor General has called on Solomon Islanders to embrace unity and shared responsibility, describing it as the foundation of national progress. Speaking during his New Year's address, Governor General Sir David Tivakapu said that while the country is diverse, unity must remain its greatest strength. He said every citizen has an important role to play in nation building.
Our diversity is our decoration, but our unity is our foundation. Just as the traditional canoe requires many hands paddling in rhythm to move forward against the current, so too does Solomon Islands requires every citizen to pull together. Whether you are a public servant in Honiara or a teacher in a remote village in Temotu, in the outer islands of Malaita and other provinces in between or in Shortland Islands, you have a vital role to play. The Constitution, which I'm sworn to uphold, belongs to you. It is the rope that binds our islands together, ensuring that peace, liberty, justice remains our guiding star.
Sir David pledged to make the office of the Governor General more visible and accessible, announcing plans to travel widely across the provinces in 2026 to engage directly with communities.
This year, I'm committed to ensure that the office of the Governor General is not a distant institution seen only in the capital. It is my intention, God willing, to travel more widely across our provinces in 2026. I wish to visit your communities, to sit with you and with your chiefs and elders, to listen to your youth, to witness firsthand the beauty and the struggles of our daily lives. We will embark on a voyage of unity, Milakam Lukimifala Lo Village, to remind us that the government house belongs to the people and that the Crown cares deeply for the welfare of every village, no matter how remote.
Simon Tavake, SIBC TV.